Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In this class, we will be discussing about the background repeat properties in CSS. Background repeat properties in CSS. So, why do you need background repeat? Normally, by default, the background image property repeats an image both horizontally and vertically. So by default, any image we use as a background image for our website, by default, it will repeat itself horizontally and vertically. So now some some images should be repeated only horizontally or vertically. So there are some cases whereby we just need background to repeat itself horizontally or vertically. So that is where the background repeat properties comes in for us. So now there are some background that if for example you have to repeat it vertically and maybe it was repeated horizontally. So there are some background that will look very, very odd. The backgrounds will look odd because it is not well placed. So now let me show you how we can make use of our background repeat. So let me go to my CSS. So I'll be making use of the body. So the body. So my squigglies. So I will say background image. Now my background image, I've been using my link, the URL. So I already have my images here. So let me use the image 4 with PNG. So now you see, so this is our image here. I'm using the WhatsApp logo. So now this is our image here on our website. So as you can see, we have it done. So now let us use the background image property to check it out, how it really looks like. So background repeat. So now let me make use of the repeat. The repeat horizontally. So let me make use of it. Now you see, so it has this is the vertical horizontal repeat. Now you see it. This is the vertical horizontal repeat. So now let me make it, the X is for the vertical horizontal repeat, then the Y is the horizontal repeat. So let me just change this X here to Y so that you will see it better. Now you see. So now you see that you cannot see the difference between the horizontal and the vertical. Now, without using our background repeat, let me just remove the repeat here. Now you see the background by default, it has already repeated itself vertically and horizontally. So now we use this background repeat to adjust our background to our own preference. You understand? So we can also remove the no repeat. By default, let me remove it here. So by default, we are having our background to repeat either vertically or horizontally. It will repeat in both ways. So now by default, this is going to display. So now let me remove the no repeat. Let me remove the no repeat. Sorry, let me remove the no. So now you see, by using the no repeat, so this is what we have. By using the no repeat, the background is not going to repeat vertically or horizontally. So now this is how you can make use of the repeat, either horizontally, repeat vertically, or no repeat at all. So thank you.